Theon, you're my blood. Come home with me, don't die here alone.
I don't intend to die.
He wears his heart safety pin to his backpack. His backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul.
God's help you, Theon Greyjoy. Now you are truly lost.
Ramsay has his own way of doing things.
Pushes him whispering, must have been out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's
No mercy, please!
to save his life, he cries like a worm, cries like a rat from the
Kill me. A little louder.
Kill me!
You're no good to me, dead. We need you.